Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm just going to film a trip on the South West Rail Link. Today is the very first day of operation for the South West Rail Link. I'm currently on an MSET M35, the newest MSET in service. This video is in request for Thomas Bulick, Lachlan Walsh, Transport Around Sydney Vlogs, and Banana Boat. The next stop will be Edmondson Park, followed by Glenfield and Liverpool. After Liverpool, this train will return to Leppington. Just note guys that no trains on the South West Rail Link stop at Casula, so anyone who has requested me to do Casula to film South West Rail Link trains stop there. Yeah, just telling you guys that no South West Rail Link trains will stop at Casula. The Transport Minister Gladys Berejiklian and the New South Wales Premier Mike Baird are in the carriage behind. And that carriage is N1573. I'm currently in N1572. It's a fast trip. Really fast trip. Currently got Gladys Berejiklian and also the CEO of Sydney Trains, Howard Collins. Carriage is N1572 on set M35. The next station in this trip will be Glenfield, then passing Casula and stopping at Liverpool. Just passing over the flyover now, approaching Glenfield.
So there's two labour, 5 people, and real independence. She's the labour candidate now.
I'm at Glenfield, guys. Sorry I didn't film too much of that trip. There's a lot of stuff going on due to the opening of the South West Rail Link with the Transport Minister and also the New South Wales Premier. Sorry about that. Stuff in the way. I wasn't going to upload this vlog, but I thought I'd stuff it, you know. Might as well just upload it anyway. And that trip between Glenfield and Leppington, I'll redo the vlog and yeah, anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll redo the trip for you guys and I'll also re-shout out. So yeah, bye for now.